Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared minus 1. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s dx. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 2 from here. So I will put number 2 gone here to find the value of u. So 2 squared minus 1, we have number 3. When s equals to number 3, so I will put number 3 gone here. 3 squared minus 1, we have number 8. So number 3 we change by number 2 we change by number 3. Number 3 we change by number 8. So the next one, we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So s dx we change by du over number 2. This one we change by u. So the integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put the bounds from number 3 to number 8. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.